Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the slope of the line using 2 points. Okay? We're going to calculate the slope of the line using 2 points. So, there are different ways to call the slope. First way, you can call it rise over 1. Remember, rise over 1. And second way, you can call it y equal mx plus b. Okay? And another way, we can call it a vertical change over horizontal change. Okay? That's another way. And today, you're going to see we can use the slope formula to calculate slope of the line. Okay? We're going to use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? We're going to use this formula to calculate the slope of the line. Okay? So we're going to use 2 points. Okay? 2 points to calculate the slope of the line. Let's do the first example to show you how we can use points, okay, to calculate slope of the line. Okay, so let's do that. The formula is, let's write it down. The formula is slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so that's the slope formula we're going to use. Okay, those are the points. Let me write the points for you. We have 2, 1, and 6 and 7. So we have a pair of points. Okay, we're going to use those points to calculate the slope of the line. So we have the slope formula right here. Okay, so I'm going to teach you techniques. You're going to use it easily to calculate the slope. Let me call the first point 1 and the second is 2. Okay, so you can call it x, y, and x, y. That's the technique. Okay, so the formula is going to be y2 minus y1. When I tell y2, that's going to be 2. Okay, y2 is 7. Okay, minus y1. y1 is going to be 1. Okay, because this is the 1, this is the 2. Let me write it with another color for you. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, yes. Alright, so when I tell y2, that's going to be 7. Okay, minus y1. y1 is going to be 1. Okay, because this is 1, this is 2. So x2 is going to be 6 minus x1. x1 is going to be negative 2. As we already have a negative sign, that's going to be converted to positive 2. Okay, let's start. So the slope, write the slope. Okay, so the formula y2 is 7. Just write 7, y2 minus y1 is 1. Okay, minus y1. x2 is 6. Okay, minus x1 is negative 2. As we already had a negative sign right here, when we say minus x1, that's going to be positive. Okay, positive 2. Positive 2. Okay, so slope equal 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2, that's going to be 8. Okay, let's simplify. 6 divided by 3, or by 2, you can say by 2. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So the slope is equal 3/4. Okay, so that's the first example. So as long as you can use the formula correctly, you will know how to calculate the slope of the line. Okay, let's do the second one, the second example. Okay, the second example. The second example is, see, 2 and 5 and 4 and 7. Okay, we're gonna use the same techniques. Okay, slope. Now write the formula first. Formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so remember, let's do the same technique. This is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so this is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. Okay, so let's start. So y2, that's gonna be 7 minus y1 is gonna be 5. Okay, x2 is gonna be 4. Okay, 4. x1 that's gonna be 2. Okay, slow. 7 minus 5, that's gonna be 2. 4 minus 2, that's gonna be 2. Okay, the slope is equal 1. Okay, perfect. Okay, so far this is not bad, this is easy. If you know how to use the formula, that's gonna be very easy if you know how to use the slope formula. Okay, let's do the last one. Okay, let's do it to do the last one. The last one, we're gonna do the last one right here. The last exercise, we're gonna have p minus 1, 4, and 3, negative 2. Okay. First, we're gonna write the formula for you. The formula for the slope. That's gonna be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's do that. This is the technique, you have to use it. This is the 1, this is 2. So let's precise for you. This is the x, y, x, y. Okay, all right, let's start. So we have the slope gonna be y2, so that's gonna be negative 2. Okay, negative 2 minus y1, that's gonna be 4, that's gonna be negative 4. x2, that's gonna be 3. Okay, x2 is 3 minus x1. Okay, x1, that's gonna be negative 1. Okay, because there is already a negative sign right here, it's gonna be positive 1. Okay, positive 1. Okay, so you see that x2, that's gonna be 3. Okay, this will be 3 minus x1. X1 is negative 1 because there's already a negative sign. It's converted to positive 1. Okay, slope equal negative 2, negative 6, negative 2, negative 4, that's going to be negative 6. Okay, plus 3 plus 1, that's going to be 4. So we can simplify. Okay, divide this by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2, that's going to be negative 3. 4 divided by 2, that's going to be 2. Alright. Answer. Perfect. Alright. So it is not bad. It is not bad. It is easy to calculate the slope of the line if you know how to use the slope formula. Okay, the slope formula is easy. Is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, that's not bad. So if you have questions regarding how to use the slope formula to calculate the slope of the line, just go to my website, or you can type Nugas Math, and then you will have all free math videos. Okay, very good. Please share my videos. Thank you. Share my videos, and then I will continue to build free math video for you. Thank you so much.